Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are over 50 and looking for a fresh haircut that feels modern but still soft and feminine, the butterfly haircut might be perfect for you. The butterfly haircut is all about layers. It has shorter layers around the face and longer layers at the back. This creates movement, volume and a light, youthful feel without losing hair length. Let's explore why this haircut is so popular for women over 40. First, the classic butterfly haircut for medium length hair. This style keeps your length but adds soft layers that frame the face beautifully. It helps hide thinning areas and make hair look fuller. It's great for everyday wear and easy to style. Next is the butterfly haircut with cotton bangs. Cotton bangs are gentle and flattering. They soften facial line and draw attention to your eyes and cheekbones. For women over 40, this combination gives a fresh and graceful look. Another lovely option is the butterfly cut for long hair. If you love long hair, this cut adds shape without cutting too much length. The layers lift the hair and prevent it from looking heavy or flat. For women with fine or thin hair, the light layered butterfly cut works very well. Soft layers add volume and bounce. A side part can make the hair look even fuller and more lively. If you have wavy or slightly curly hair, the butterfly haircut looks amazing. The layers help define natural waves and give a relaxed, elegant style. You don't need much effort, just let your natural texture shine. Avoid heavy blunt cuts, they can make hair look flat and older. The butterfly haircut keeps hair light, flowing and youthful. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can blow dry with a round brush for volume or use light waves for a soft look. Even air dry works beautifully with this cut. Your 40s are a time to shine with confidence. The butterfly haircut is not just a trend, it's a timeless style that adds beauty, movement and elegance to your hair. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. For pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe for more hair and beauty ideas. Allah Hafiz.